Okay, so doing supplements. People have tried. I've had a lot of people that have tried supplements, and they say, well, they don't really work. They don't work, or it didn't work for me. What I have to remind everyone is supplements are not a short-term fix. They're not like a drug where you can, you can take it and you feel instant results. If you're not in it for the long haul, then I would not recommend that you go with supplements at all, because that's not what supplements are for. Supplements are for the long term. You're in it for the long haul. You're in it to feed your body over a long period of time. And that is the difference. That is the difference. So if you want a quick fix, this is not it. Supplements are not a quick fix. So I would not recommend that you even try it if you're looking for a quick fix. So I hope this helps you. Just a reminder that supplements are for the long haul.